Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about statistics. The topic today is about probability. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know 6 green balls, 3 red balls. We need to select 3 balls and we know that they want to find probability to 2 green balls. That means we select 2 green, and because we select about 3 points in here, 3 minus 2, so that means we need to select about 1 red ball. Now we need to find the probability in here. The first thing, without replacement. So in this one we can use about combination. So we need to find the total, how many ways to select about 9 points in here, because 6 plus 3 equals to number 9, and we select about 3 points in here, so that should be about 9C3. That means we select 3 out of 9 points in here, and we need to find how many ways to select about 2 green balls and 1 red ball. That is about so we select 2 green balls out of 6, so that should be about 6C2. We select 1 red ball out of 3 red balls, so that should be about 3C1. And now we have the probability in here. So that should be about the total way to select about this ball in here over the total way to select random in here. So we calculate this one, and we have 15 over 28. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.